Are you facing login issues on Telegram for your PC? Let's troubleshoot and fix this problem together with these steps. First, verify your username and password to ensure they are entered correctly. Double-checking this information is crucial for a successful login. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, make sure you input the correct verification code sent to your mobile device. If the code is not received, check your connection or request a new code to troubleshoot the login issue. Try using a different web browser to access Telegram. This step can help determine if the problem is specific to the browser you're using. Consider restarting your device. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches or conflicts that may be causing the login problem. Check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help troubleshoot any connectivity issues affecting the login process. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues with apps like Telegram. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily as it may interfere with Telegram's functionality. If none of the solutions above work, don't worry. You can contact Telegram support for further assistance. Their official support channels are there to help you resolve any persistent login issues. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix Telegram login problems on your PC, ensuring a seamless experience with the app.